Hey, this is Tyler with Warmboard. I am out in West Seattle today visiting a project with Prestige Crafted Construction. We are doing a Warmboard Comfort System project out here. The project is about 6,000 square feet in total. They've got the Warmboard panels installed, walls are up, roof is on, and Northwest Mechanical is here prepping to start installing tubing and manifolds. They will be installing the rest of the Warmboard Comfort System, and we are here to provide some help and support to make sure that the install goes smoothly today.